Hello, welcome to another episode of Ramli's Kitchen's channel. And for today, we're going to make something very simple. I went to the market. I do not know what to do. There's a lot of things. So I said, okay, it is a very simple chicken rice today. I think our steamer is hot and ready. Water is boiling. So I just dump 2 pieces of chicken. Okay. Try to get some space. Okay. That's the chicken. There is no marinating, there's nothing, it's just chicken straight. And as you bought it and put in that, I'm going to cut the heat down a lot so that it's going to be a bit slow, and so that I can take it longer, so they're going to cook it straight through the bones. Hi, who are you? You're Superman. Ooh, I think our chicken is cooked. Okay. Especially it's hot. Okay. Another one. Hot. Ooh. It's well cooked. And I'm going to make sure that it stops cooking. I'm going to make sure that it stops cooking. Okay. So there's chili, sugar, salt, and what's that? There's garlic. Okay. There you are. This is the sambal for the chicken rice. Okay, that one is done. Steamed water and the juice of the chicken coming out. So we are making soup. We're making soup. Some more. Now, that. Pop in. Pop in a cube, chicken cube. Okay. Heat. This is the chicken that we put in there for past few minutes. Okay. Look at that. This is what I'm trying to get. You see that? When you cool it down, the juice from the chicken now sort of gelatinized. So it's going to be really nice. I'm going to use I'm not going to use the bones, just the flesh. Okay. out the bones. It's all cooked. It's all cooked.
It's all very cooked.
See that? If that bit there, that's the indicator whether it's cooked or not. See, if that oozing out, the blood oozes out for that femoral vein, okay, and that's not a good indicator, which means that your chicken is a bit undercooked. Okay. Take the femur out. Okay. Take that bit out. And that. Same thing. Heat drain out. Feel out. Turn it over. This one is a bit smaller. That. Okay, this goes to that again.
Chicken stock.
And this is the preserve lettuce. Oh no, called cabbage. Okay, Chinese preserved cabbage, and it makes the soup really tasty. There you go. Okay, next in our chicken rice, we are going to make the rice. So there you are. This is the pot we're going to use, and heat this one up. Okay, here we go. Butter, margarine, oil will do. Doesn't matter. Okay, that's the butter. Some red onion. Ginger. Quite costly. Probably just go. not going to cut the garlic, just put the whole garlic in there. Okay. Now. There you go. Let's bring that up to heat. Probably add in some more oil. Okay, we need 3 cups of rice. I use actual cup for this one. Okay, that's 3 cups. Now I take the 3 cups of rice and add that. You notice I did not wash the rice. Heat a bit more. Okay, remember that I steamed the chicken and the juice of the chicken sort of dropped into the water. So take that. Two, three, I just want to make sure that there's nothing brown that's stick. Bottom. Okay. Okay, and I pour in 4 cups of water. Salt, chicken cube. Okay. Bring it up to a boil. Okay. Now bring up to a boil. Boiling very nicely. If you boil your rice, you use for this sort of rice, you use the same amount of water, same amount of water compared with the rice. So if you use 3 cups of rice, use 3 cups of water. But since I did not wash the rice and I would like to be a bit soft, I add a bit more. Normally we cook rice in a rice cooker. And to do it on the stove is perfectly okay. But normally I will pop this in the oven so I will not have any crust. If you have crust, you know, you have to really wash it out and you start cooking it. So anyway, it's boiling very, very nicely. So it looks quite okay. Now, okay, this is just perfect off the heat. Okay, give it a final stir. Put the lid on. Okay, I'll put it about 180
Degrees Celsius?
Yes. And pop in there for about, say about 20 minutes and that should be okay. Be okay. Okay. More than 20 minutes. Ooh. Careful, careful. Okay, that's the rice. It is hot. The lid is very hot. Come up from the oven. Okay. Oh, look at that. Lid, go down, tip it a little bit. Now, that's done. Here we are. Okay. Our final thing. For the takes a little bit of soup, not too much. Probably just like that. And douse it. Like that. And this is soy sauce.
Light soy sauce.
Light soy sauce.
Light.
Light soy sauce. You don't want a thick soy sauce. Light soy sauce. Remember, we didn't put anything on in the chicken, right? There's no flavoring. There's nothing. It's just chicken. Okay. And now, you know what this is? Sesame seed oil. Okay. We are done. We have gas. And you could rest the rice a bit. Okay. Good. So this is Rambi's kitchen, and this is how Rambi's kitchen look like. Guests here whenever they want to eat, and then we call it the red step, like a can. You cannot say no. This is my mother-in-law and wife. Welcome to Rambi's kitchen.